Hey, hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel BoxyCharm subscription. All official ways, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
You can cancel your BoxyCharm subscription from the website through your account. You can also send an email to the BoxyCharm team regarding the same. Method 1. First of all, open the BoxyCharm website in your browser and log in with your account. Then, go to the My Account option and choose the Subscription option from there. There, you'll get the details about your active subscription. Find the Cancelling option and click on the Cancel Subscription option from there. That's it. It'll cancel your subscription and you are done. Method 2. Cancel BoxyCharm subscription via email. Open the default email application on your device. Compose an email for your cancellation procedure. Provide all the required personal and subscription details that they may require and also provide your subscription cancellation reason. When you are satisfied with the email you wrote, send it to info@boxycharm.com. Wait till you hear from them regarding your request. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your BoxyCharm subscription. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit the like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.